Hello and welcome back everyone. We are on the part 7 video of chapter tissue, and in this video we will be studying about the muscular tissue. This tissue comes under animal tissue. In the last video we discussed about the connective tissue. Okay, and now we are moving forward with the muscular tissue, and hopefully this is the last second video from the chapter tissue. So let us begin the topic. They are made up of muscular cells or muscular fibers. Okay, muscular tissues, they are made up of muscular cell or muscular fibers. Muscular fibers are elongated, cylindrical and long. Okay, see, the cells which are making of muscular tissues are specially named as muscular fibers. Okay, they are elongated, okay, they are long and they are cylindrical. You just see the shape, long, cylindrical, elongated. Okay, these are the muscular fibers. All right, now they contain contractile protein. This is very important term, that is contractile protein. Contractile protein are those protein which contract and relax, those helping us in movement. Okay, how is the movement of my hand possible? That is because of the contractile protein. Contractile protein, they contracts and then they relaxes, okay, bringing about the movement. The contraction and relaxation of contractile protein brings about movement. Muscular tissue are of three types. First is skeletal muscles, second is smooth muscles, and third is cardiac muscles. Okay, we will be studying about each of the muscles one after another. Coming to the skeletal muscles are long, unbranched, it fatigues, it is cylindrical, it is multinucleated, and it has striations. Okay, now I'll be explaining you one by one what all these terms mean. Okay, say long means they are long. Okay, unbranched means they are not branched. You see, they are not branched. These cell, you see, they are branched. Okay, branching means what one cell is linked with another cell with the help of branches, but they are just piling up with one another, they are not branching. Okay, and they fatigue, that means ये cell जल्दी थक जाते हैं. ठीक है. And then cylindrical means they are cylindrical in shape, multinucleated. You see, one cell is having more than one nucleus. This is one cell, okay, this is two cell, this is three cell. I have made a diagram of three cell tissue. Okay, and you see here one cell here is having two nucleus. The last cell you see it is having three nucleus. Okay, multinucleated means each cell is having more than one nucleus. Now coming to striations, they are alternate dark and light band. Okay, the picture of the cell, one is light dark, that is white red, or it can be red dark red, dark red. Okay, means there is a pattern of dark and light color. Alright, that is known as striations. Here are the characteristics of the skeletal muscles. Now they are named in three different ways according to their characteristics. That is, you see, first is skeleton muscle itself. Skeleton or skeletal muscle is same. Why they are known as a skeletal muscle? That is because they are attached to skeleton. Alright, you just feel it. The muscle that is present in your arms, that is making your arms, they are known as skeletal muscles, and you see a direct linkage between the bone and the muscles in the arm, isn't it? That is why these muscles are known as skeletal muscles. Another is striated muscles. Why are they known as striated muscles? Because they have alternate light and dark bands. Okay, because of which they are also known as striated muscles. Muscles having striations are known as striated muscles. Now coming to voluntary muscles, they have another name, that is the voluntary muscles, because these muscles are under our control. How can you say that these muscles are under our control? That is because, see, I want to say you hi. My muscles are moving and it is bidding you hi. Isn't it? That means these muscles are under my control. That is the reason why it is moving. So it is also known as voluntary muscles. So coming to the function of skeletal muscles, they help in body movement and they also help in providing shape, or isn't it? That means you see, I'm moving my hand, that means this muscles is obviously helping in body movement, and another thing is it is also providing shape to my hand. If there was no muscle, no skeletal muscle, then you think how would the skeleton and skin would look. So there is a muscles to provide a more vigor to our hand. Okay, into the smooth muscles, they are spindle shaped and they have a tapering end. Spindle shape means you see the shape of the cell. Each cell, they have a flattened part at the center and the tapering end at the end. Okay, these type of shape is known as spindle shape. Okay, fishes also they have spindle shape. Okay, and these cell also they have spindle shape, and the end is tapering. Okay, and they are uninucleated. That means they have one nucleus in each cell. You see the picture out here, one cell we're having more than one nucleus, isn't it? And here you see one cell is having only one nucleus. Okay, that is why they are known as uninucleated. Now unstriated, you see there is no striations, right? There is no pattern like this band, right? Here there is no band. That is the reason why these muscles are known as unstrated muscles. They are unbranched. Okay, like these cell are also unbranched. Okay, and they do not fatigue. That means ये cell वो नहीं थकते. Okay, say smooth muscles are also known as unstrated or involuntary muscles. The reason they are known as unstrated is because they do not have alternate dark and light bands. You see there is no dark and light band. And second thing, they are known as involuntary muscles because they are not under our control. Okay, can I control the iris of my eye to enlarge and to become small? No. Can I control my blood vessels to not supply the blood to the entire body? No. Isn't it? I cannot control all these things. Can I control my intestine to absorb the food or not? No, that is not under our control. Okay, and these muscles, they can work extensively throughout the life. Okay, they are never tired. Alright, but our muscles, but the skeletal muscles, when we do any kind of physical activity, if we run, okay, start spinning, isn't it? Means they cannot walk so extensively. They cannot walk 24 hours, but these muscles, they can walk extensively and at all the time. Okay. So they are present in iris of the eye, blood vessels, intestinal linings, food pipe. Okay, they are also helping in peristalsis. Okay, that is the movement of food from the alimentary canal. Now coming to the cardiac muscles, they are again cylindrical. They were spindle shaped, they were cylindrical, and cardiac muscles, they are also cylindrical. And second thing, the new characteristics is they are the branched one. Okay, they are uninucleated. Again you see one cell is having one cell. That means they are also uninucleated. That is, each cell is having one nucleus. Okay, and next is they are also striated. That means they also have alternate light and dark pattern in their cell body. Okay, they also do not fatigue. Means these muscles, they are also not tired. So what do you mean by cardiac? The word cardiac, it refers to heart, isn't it? That is why these muscles, they are also present in our heart. Okay, do you think heart stop pumping blood? No, never, isn't it? That is why these muscles also, it never rests, but it is never tired. Okay, now you see type, they are striated and they are involuntary. Again they are striated and involuntary because they have alternate light and dark pattern. That is why these muscles are known as striated muscles, and they are also known as involuntary muscles because these muscles are not under our control. Okay, we cannot control the heart to pump, isn't it, or not to pump, right? Now you see the function, it helps in the proper functioning of the heart. Okay, these muscles, they bring about the proper functioning of the heart. So now let us recap the topic. Muscles tissues are made up of muscle cells or muscle fiber. Muscle cells or muscle fiber, they contain contractile protein because of which they can contract and relax and helps to bring the movement. They are of three types, that is skeletal muscles, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are cylindrical, unbranched, long, multinucleated and striated. Okay, and they are also named as skeletal muscles, striated muscles and voluntary muscles. Smooth muscles are spindle in shape, they are uninucleated, they have a tapering end, okay, and they are unbranched, they are unstriated, and they are found in the region which are uncontrollable, which are not controlled by us, that is in the lining of the food pipe, in the lining of intestine, in the iris of our eye. Okay, so they are named as involuntary muscles and unstriated muscles. Also cardiac muscles are again uninucleated, they are branched, they have striations, they are also involuntary because we cannot control the movement of cardiac muscles. These muscles are present in the heart and they help in the proper functioning of the heart. Okay, I hope this topic is clear to you. In the last section of video, we will be moving forward with the nervous tissue, and with that we will be ending the chapter tissue. So till then, stay tuned, stay safe and keep studying. Thank you.